So friends, today we are going to unbox the Olympus 10x50 DPS1 Binocular. So this is the main box. As you could see, there are nothing much written on the box, as you could see. And over here it is written wide and UV protection. UV protection you all understood. Wide is that it gives a wide angle view. So let's open the box. So this is the main pouch in which the binocular is there. This is very handy. And let's see if there anything is there. Let's take it out. So there are some basic user guides or manuals type. But there is written Olympus camera, and it has got nothing about in different languages it is written, and this is also the same. So now let's open the main binocular. So this is our main box content, which is the binocular, as you could see. So it has got 4 lids. Let's open this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it looks good, and with the name of the company Olympus and the model name 10x50 DPS1 with wide angle view and UV protection as mentioned before. So let's speak about the main parts of the binocular. This is the objective lenses. These two the objective lenses, 2 ocular lenses, 1 central focusing wheel, and over here 1 independent focusing wheel only on the left side, on the right side. And it over here you can see that it shows the angle up to which we can bend and fold the binocular like this. It is from 6 degree to 7 degree. We can adjust it over here like this according to our choice. So this is the, let's talk about the central focusing unit. As we scroll it on the left side, as we scroll in the right side, we see the whole setup comes down, and when we scroll the whole setup rise up slightly. So this is used to adjust the focus, the object we are seeing, focus of the object which you are seeing. So, and the full binocular has got a rubber coating which gives it a firm hold, so that we can hold it firmly, and it's got a nice shape, and the eyelids are very good. It rates your eyes over here. There's rubber, total made of rubber, and they are the straps from which you can hang it on your shoulder and neck. So this is the whole binocular, as you can see. I wish you like the video, and if you find this video helpful, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and share the video.